Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun bee Dollar Tree DIY. I want to make a little shelf sitter using one of these hexagon framed signs from the Dollar Tree. I just pop off the back of mine, so it's going to be a little bit easier to recover the back. It has this paper pattern on there. I'm just going to cover it with some cheap contact paper from the Dollar Tree and a wood print using a sanding sponge to sand off all the edges. That's just going to make the back of my piece look better. And then we're gonna actually work on this side. It's gonna be easier to work on the back. All I have to do is remove the tag and we can cover this with something a little bit more fun for a bee theme. I found this great burlap from the Dollar Tree that has the honeycomb pattern. You could use this or any of their honeycomb fabric as well. Either one would look really cute. And basically I'm just gonna be using the burlap like you would use like a scrapbook paper for a fun background. But we're gonna have a lot of texture because we're gonna be using this burlap fabric. Isn't that so cute? So I just sketched it out on the back of the burlap so I could cut it down to size, and then I just used Mod Podge to attach it to the back of the sign. The wood sign itself is really cute. I think it's gonna look great when I put it back on there, the frame over the fabric, but definitely it's easier to do this part without that on there. I did go over the top of it with some more Mod Podge just to make sure that it was glued down well, and we're gonna let that dry, and it's gonna give us a really cute little honeycomb pattern back there. I just put hot glue all around the edges of the wood frame, and then I can directly sit that on top of the fabric and the sign, gluing that back into place from the taking it apart earlier. Then to go inside of it, I really wanted a fun bee. I found this great little bee gnome sign from the Dollar Tree. It's so cute. It's just the right size to go in there. You could also use some of the toy bees from the Dollar Tree, would be cute to go in here as well. I just glued mine in so he's like sitting inside the little honeycomb cell. He's holding a flower. He's really cute on his own. The wood frame is great on this, but the very outer edge is an unfinished wood, so I thought I could paint it bright yellow to go with the bee theme and to bring out the yellow and the honeycomb in the back. The unfinished wood really soaks up the paint though, as you can see, using yellow acrylic, and I'm just using a makeup sponge so I don't get too much on there. But if you do enough coats, you can actually start to get some good coverage on there and make that pop a little bit. Then I thought like a little yellow flower here to replace his flower in his hand would be cute. So I got a little yellow flower from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to glue it right on top of his flower. Just going to add more texture to the piece and be really cute. I doubled it up with two of them to give it a little bit more of a 3D texture. And then for the center of the flower, I'm just going to use a thumbtack. That is the perfect size and it actually helps keep it on there. I'm just going to hammer mine in place. And there it is, our little bee sign. So fun for spring or summer. If you would like more bee Dollar Tree DIYs, I have a ton over on my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.